Many beginning helpers feel nervous and scared when starting this phase of their training. This chapter pertains to field work that you may take during your Human Services program. However, this also applies to volunteer experiences that you may have to gain experience, to gain internship hours, or to begin your employment in the human services arena. Your fieldwork activities provide a bridge between theory and practice. Actual experience in a field placement gives students opportunities to learn firsthand about paperwork, agency policies and procedures, and the challenge of working with a wide range of client population and problems. It is not too soon to begin to build your experience and your resume in the human services field. Some placements will even take just a little volunteer time, say 2 to 3 hours per week. It is the combination of academic coursework, field placement, skills training, and personal development that makes for a sound program. First, do your homework. Thoroughly investigate the websites of prospective agencies and become familiar with each agency's mission and goals, services, and fieldwork internship opportunities. Hopefully through this course and the hands-on activities assignments, you have gotten a chance to meet other professionals in the community. Take a look at some of the community events that the human service organizations are involved in, and make some connections interviewing staff at the different organizations. Don't underplay these assignments for this course. Capitalize upon the opportunities that you have now and in the future. Each agency or fieldwork site may require a slightly different application procedure, so be sure to follow any guidelines listed on their website. Due to budget cuts, high-quality internships and field placements are becoming increasingly competitive. Even in internships, it is very important to practice interviewing and bringing a current resume. Be prepared to talk about your goals for your internship. Many students use their internships to turn into employment as a result of the contacts they establish at their fieldwork placements. In fact, most students wish they had been able to participate in even more fieldwork activities. Even though most internships are unpaid or volunteer, keep your eye on the long term and the potential that may come out of the experience. The discussion forum for Chapter 10 goes along with these few slides. On pages 289 to 297, you will find suggestions on how to profit from your fieldwork experience. Keeping in mind that this also includes any volunteer experience that you may secure prior to finishing your degree. In the discussion forum, you will choose a couple of key points from these slides or from the chapter and discuss how to get the most from your field work experience. Be as active as you can in your supervision at the field work placement and with your college instructor. Stretch yourself past the point to which you typically stop. No matter what happens, there is something to be learned. Your supervisors will understand and empathize with the difficulty in being observed by your peers and by supervisors. Remember, we were all interns once too. Don't be afraid to say you don't know something and to ask for help. You are at your placement to learn. Supervision is a required component of most training programs, and you will obtain the maximum benefit from your experience in supervision. Prepare to assume an active role in your supervision and develop a collaborative working relationship with your supervisor. Be as honest and open as possible during your supervision sessions. You may not be able to select your supervisor, but do your best to work within the framework of the supervisory style of the supervisor assigned to you. Take time to prepare for your supervision sessions by identifying questions you want to explore and by bringing in examples you want to discuss with your supervisor. Be proactive. You will receive individual supervision sessions and/or group supervision sessions with other interns and trainees. In conclusion, treat your field placement like a job, even if you don't get paid for your internship. Arrive on time, dress appropriately, and behave professionally in your interactions with your supervisor, the other interns, agency staff, and clients. Enjoy the learning experience.